Good mythical morning to you. Hey, what is up, guys? Today I'm gonna do unboxing. Yeah. So I got here. Oh, it's heavy. Oh shoot. Oh yeah. Yeah. Can you see that? It's a Pulse electric scooter. It has 24 volt. Oh. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's unbox it. So the first thing we do is pretty much just open it, and when we open it, there is a charger. There's a charger here, and I already took it out, so no problems. I'll just leave the box here. Even though it's out, it's still heavy. So here is the scooter. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah. It's very heavy. Oh, you can see here. Ow. It's so heavy. Ow. There's like chains on it. I just hit my finger. So when we open it, this is what you see. This is the restart button in case you have to restart it, because it like stops for some reason, because it overheats and shoot. And when we turn it around, oh, it's heavy, it's heavy, it's heavy. When we turn it around, here you can see this is the charging cord right here, and this is the on-off switch. The way you know is that you can see this light thing, it like turns on. You can see here, it's glowing, and it's on like this, off like that, on, off. So it's pretty cool and very heavy. And let's go outside and test it out. Hey guys, I'm currently not outside, and it's so hot today. Alright, so the way to actually ride it is that right here you can see, I already showed you that, but I'll show it again in case you didn't remember. So you actually just do this, turn it on, and there it is. And the way to actually ride it is that it's like this accelerating magic, so you just pull it back to go fast, and it doesn't really go any other than that. And there's just like brakes, and yeah. So let's ride it, guys. Let's go. This is really fast. Yeah, that was fun. Well, I'm gonna now anyway. So that was really fun. It goes 10 kilometers an hour. Well, not 10. It's 10 miles an hour, and that was fast. So yeah, thanks for watching. and subscribe if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, comment below, link in the description. And RM Warriors, stay smiling. And RM